cool to be a gay icon, so you should be happy.
तो जो देख रहे हैं वो जरूर सुने.
Okay, we won't go into the link up part of Shahid Kapoor, but
Shahid,
I think we're bored of it by now, yeah.
I really love you.
many of them
so boring now.
There was a dialogue in Rangila that life में settle हो जाना मांगता है. So कभी आपको feeling होता है कि यार अभी now is the time and when will be the time?
अपन भी यही बोलता है, लाइफ में सेटल हो जाना मांगता है.
हाँ, वो तो है.
तू भी यही मानती है ना? अपन भी यही मानता है, लाइफ में सेटल हो जाना मांगता है.
आई एम वेटिंग कि कोई टन 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 ऐसे करके मेरी लाइफ में एंट्री होगी, बट फिलहाल तो काम हो रहा है यार.
But do you have
पार्टनर के साथ?
partner? And now Sonam Kapoor as well.
Yeah.
Alright, but do you have that thing that maybe you're waiting for somebody and you would like to kind of?
नहीं यार, लाइफ में किसी के लिए वेट नहीं करना चाहिए, किसी चीज के लिए वेट नहीं करना चाहिए. जो होना होता है वो हो जाता है, और जब होना होता है तब हो जाता है. Live your life, make the most of every moment that you have, and never be close to anything. So I'm not close to anything. I'd be really happy if I come across somebody and I fall in love with somebody and I want to spend my life with somebody. But that's going to happen when it's going to happen. I don't want to plan for it, because I think when you make plans, that's when life happens. बोलते हैं ना? I believe in that.
Fantastic. All right. Something about the fourth partner that you guys have, Veer Das. What kind of experience you guys had working with him? He's quite a stand-up comic.
Yeah, that's what he's doing right now.
He's busy doing that as well, which is why he's not here right now.
Making jokes on us wherever he is at the moment.
Any of the funniest jokes that he has cracked?
Well, he's cracked so many jokes.
Yeah,
you can't even. You will probably have a big book on it if you had to.
This happened recently. This most recent joke. The trial is about to begin of a film. Everyone's seated. We're just waiting for a couple of people to come so that we'd start. So Shahid just got him and Shahid said, "Arey yaar, we'll chill, entertain kar le. Humko 5 minutes crack a joke." So he said, "All right." First he said, "No, I'm not going to." He was hesitating. So everyone to trying to like force him. So he gets up after some time. And he just gets up and says, "I'm just going to crack one joke." So we're waiting. हाँ भाई बोलिए. Guys, I'm Veer Das and I'm the star of this film. I think that's how funny he is that he can.
I think he wants to make a film with Madhuri Dixit.
In the film.
That's what the character is about.
The thing about Veer is that he can take jokes upon himself, which is great. I mean, if he's cracking a joke on you, he does it to himself.
Actually, we were very scared because he has always said that he has a 2.5-hour routine for a comedy from this film, which will die with him, because the day he puts it forward, his career is finished. So he does not want to. But we were all very scared throughout the movie that somewhere or the other we're going to become the butt of his jokes. As Shahid always keeps observing that Veer always has this thing that kisne kuch kaha, and Veer is like
dying to say something.
That is my imitation of Shahid, actually.
Any chances of Kamine Part 2? Because I think that is something that is waiting to be kind of made.
Yeah, I know. I read your tweet about it.
Okay.
Actually, yeah.
I think very fine performance at IPL final. In fact. Very fine performance.
Thank you. It's great fun performing in front of such a big live audience here. It's another thing. I was very unwell that day, but when you just feel that energy, it's unbelievable. 65,000 people and final in Mumbai Indians playing unbelievable. But yes, Kamine 2 is something which is definitely something which is in my mind. I'm quite sure it's something on Vishal's mind. We haven't really addressed it yet. I think Vishal is very busy with Saath Khoon Maaf, and I'm getting into Dad's film right now. But yes, it's a great brand, and it's definitely something that is being considered. Knowing Vishal, if he finds a script which he feels is more exciting than the first one, then he'll come up with it. But yes, we have spoken about it a couple of times, so let's see. It's still open. We're still thinking.
Definitely, and I sincerely hope that national awards do justice to that performance of yours.
Thanks,
because I think Charlie to Fabka favorite hai, but I think Guddu was something that I think that was really different.
Thanks, Drew.
बड़े से बड़ा बिजनेस पैसे से नहीं, एक बड़े आइडिया से बड़ा होता है.
I think it takes a little time to get used to Anushka because बहुत मुंहफट है, मतलब हद से ज़्यादा, मतलब beyond imagination type मुंहफट है. But that's उसकी सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी यही है कि वो consistent है उस बात.
क्या तू ना चल के आ रहा है और तेरे सामने ना एक ना कैंडल पड़ी है और तू वहाँ जाएगा और ना तुझे ना कैंडल ना नहीं वीर, लेकिन सुन मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि नहीं वीर, लेकिन कैंडल का कलर वीर कैंडल येलो.
अब ओवर एक्टिंग हो गया.
Oh God, this is deadly.